You guys couple?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been couple?
A year.
A year? क्या हुआ? Something happened. I didn't. A few months. This guy said few months. Yeah, 12 months is also a year.
Same thing.
Same thing. Same thing. You guys married, dating?
Dating.
Dating? How did you guys meet? Met?
Dating app.
Dating app? Which one?
Hinge.
Hinge? ये गाय किसने चरानी शुरू कर दी? एक बंदा ऐसे क्यों करा? ये कौन करता है यार? ये तो एक्सप्रेशन में भूल चुका था। ऐसे क्यों करा आपने? जिसने भी करा ये कौन था? ये कौन था? अब नहीं बताएगा। हिंज से मिले आप लोग, कैसा जा रहा है?
बस.
अभी हो हिंज पे? पॉज लेना पड़ गया दोनों। हाँ, नो नॉट एनी मोर गौरव, नो। या व्हाट यू लाइक्ड अबाउट दिस गाय? टेल मी, व्हाई डिड यू स्वाइप राइट ऑन हिम?
Lot of things.
गिव मी 3.
Good looking, good
Yeah.
communication, funny.
गुड लुकिंग, गुड कम्युनिकेशन, फनी. ओके, बहुत वेरी फास्ट. बट हाउ डिड यू नो अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन बिफोर स्वाइपिंग राइट?
अरे यार.
पूछने दो, कुछ लोग करें अप्रिशिएट द क्वेश्चन या कितने शरीफ साउथ मुंबई के ऑडियंस, वी शुड ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट द आर्टिस्ट. ही इंस्टेंटली थॉट ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन, प्रीटी गुड या गौरव. हाँ, how did you know about his communication? Through his bio?
There are prompts, you give answers to that. So you
क्या?
understand a person. There are prompts, na? You give
There are prompts to give, so I've never been, so I don't know. You tell me step by step how it works.
You put photo and then you answer a question. You choose your question, you answer it also, so that people know a little bit about your personality.
So you sent him a question that answer this first.
He only chose the question, he only chose the answer.
He only chose the question, he only chose the answer. है ना? He chose the question, he chose the answer, right?
Yeah, I saw.
You saw. So here we nullify the communication part. Okay? You have just given me one reason in law, looks, okay? है ना? Funny भी कैसे पता चला आपको? कुछ जोक लिखा था उसने वहाँ पे कुछ? क्या लिखा था? याद है? Do you remember? Vaguely do you remember something?
No, he didn't make his profile funny.
He didn't make his profile funny. Later on you got to know about
Yeah.
this, that oh, he's funny also.
Yeah. So immediate decision नहीं लेना होता ना.
Immediate decision नहीं ले. No. That's why I asked. No, my question was before swiping right. Okay,
Then
nice.
it's just like shopping.
It's like shopping. इंसान तो थोड़ी लंबी बात करो, सच बोल देता है ना. गौरव रॉफ लाला से खरीदा है इन्हें. मार्केट में गई थी, मिलना चाहिए था कोई. नाइस. शॉपिंग तो आप खरीदे गए हो भाई. याद रखना, आप बिकाऊ थे मार्केट में एक वक्त पे और मैम ने आपको खरीदा. यू टेल मी 3 things about
Like on the app or?
on the app before and then also later on.
On the app, it's mostly based on looks, and then you start talking, and then you realize that there are things in common, and then you want to meet and stuff.
Yeah.
So on the app, it was mainly looks.
सुनने दो यार, किसी की जिंदगी. तुम्हें मजे चाहिए सबको. हाँ.
On the app, it was mainly looks, but when
On the app it was mainly looks.
Yeah.
So before both of you it was looks only, no?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
But when
So ugly people have no chance on Hinge. Where do ugly people go? Tell us. I mean, tell us, and tell us. Not ugly. All of us are not ugly.
they buy
सब लोग कह रहे हैं, हम ugly नहीं है, तू होगा. अगली लोग कहाँ जाएंगे बताओ अब फिर?
they buy premium.
हाँ?
They buy premium.
They buy premium. So you didn't buy premium. You आपने खरीदा नहीं premium? मैम आपने?
नहीं.
You also didn't buy premium. Nice. हाँ, ठीक है.
Ugly ना.
फिर और आप after that what happened?
So then we started talking, and then I realized. So we met, and then I realized like she has a very happy vibe.
She has a very happy vibe.
Yeah,
Oh.
very positive, very happy.
Very positive,
vibe.
very happy.
And
Yeah.
then we started talking, and
Then you
yeah,
got along
sort of
well.
bonded, and then we started.
Nice. What a happy couple we have. And कितने पहले आप लोगों ने dating start करा? If I may ask.
Sorry.
कब से डेट्स करना स्टार्ट करा?
So we were seeing each other for a long time.
Yeah.
But we've been dating for like 4 months now.
4 months.
Yeah.
You decided that okay, now it's time to uninstall Hinge.
So we uninstalled Hinge much.
अनइंस्टॉल तो हमने पहले ही कर लिया था. मैम से मिलते ही तो तुम्हारे सामने ही हटा रहा हूँ. तुमसे ये लास्ट घर जाके डाउनलोड करूँगा अलग से. Nice, good. Such a happy couple we got. नहीं, nice. All the best.
Thank you.
What do you guys do? Study?
I'm a lawyer.
You are a lawyer.
I'm currently unemployed.
Unemployed है ये तो.
I'm basically switching jobs. So
You are switching jobs. Where were you before this?
I was working with Monitor Deloitte.
हैं?
Monitor Deloitte.
Deloitte.
Deloitte. Deloitte में थे?
हाँ.
हाँ क्या होता है?
Strategy arm of Deloitte.
Strategy arm of Deloitte is monitor.
Monitor Deloitte. Yeah.
So now you are like fired or what?
नहीं. So I've put down my papers.
You have put down your papers and now you look for the job.
No, he's gotten it.
He's gotten another job. मैम एक काम करो सारे आंसर आप ही दे दो इसको. आंसर क्यों बताने दो? माना कि आप लॉयर हो, आपका आर्गुमेंट अच्छे हो गया. And you are like what, like litigation lawyer or corporate lawyer? Litigation तो किसी और से बात करूँगा. शो से क्या लेके आए? बहुत सारी हंसी और 3 धाराएं. घर जाके 4 नोटिस आ रहे हैं घर पे. और you have to ask this question to my boyfriend. Anyways, I was just randomly talking to you guys. Thank you so much.